Hi, here's a modern fan Kill's fan. And your head turn on low. As a cost bunch of 4-speed wall remote control capacitor ratings of 5 UF, 10 UF, and 15 UF. And visually speeds to high speed. This one started to have bearings go bad. So I replaced the bearings. I borrowed one of the blade from one of my other carrots because one blade broke towards the center of the fan. So I brought another blade from my carrots, which did have two of the blades broke the same way, and used a broken blade for the other fan, which I drilled 3 new holes into some cutting and those broken blades to make them usable, just a smaller diameter. A 45-inch diameter, while this one is 50-inch diameter. Of course, this one wobbles too, like the other one, with mixed matched blades. It wobbles a lot on too high speed, which makes some noise. Bubbles tons of air. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.